today we have another episode. So I'm gonna be teaching you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have another episode of makeup tutorial, which is a simple look for a simple lady like me. So if you want to know how I achieve this look using affordable products, continue to watch this video. And if you're not a member of this channel yet, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will be part of this growing family. So without further ado, let's go and start. Okay, so una kong gagamitin is itong Pinkies primer. Mura lang din to, no? Kasi nga, simple ka lang, di ba? Okay, so apply na natin dyan sa ating T-zone. So next, moisturizer. So Pinkies pa rin yung aking gagamitin. Yan. Apply na natin yan sa ating face. Kailangan ninyo itong mga to, yung primer, moisturizer, para protection sa face ninyo bago kayo maglagay ng mga foundation. Next, foundation. So, ang gagamitin ko is from Maybelline. Actually, inuubos ko na lang to guys bago ako bumili ng bago. So, ayun o. Maubos na talaga siya. Ayan. Pag mag-a-apply kayo ng foundation, huwag ninyong kakalimutan yung leeg ninyo para mag-contour tayo. Pwede naman na hindi na kayo gumamit ng ganitong brush, stippling brush. Pwede na kayong gumamit kaagad ng beauty blender. Gagamitin ko na yung aking beauty blender. Ayan, okay na yung aking foundation. Next is yung ating concealer. This is from Beauty Glaze. Maliit lang to guys. And very, cheap. So, check nyo na lang yung website nila sa Shopee or Lazada. So, ayan. Dito ko siya i-apply. Kung saan, maitatago natin yung ating mga pinagpuyatan. And then, gagamitin ko ulit itong ating beauty blender. And then dito, gagamit ako ng maliit na beauty blender para maabot ko yung mga nasa gilid. So next is yung ating loose powder from Nichido. Next, magkikilay na tayo. Ang gagamitin ko is from MAC, this color. So, mag-start kayo dito sa baba, guys, sa may gitna.
Do you wanna know?
Gagamit ako ng brush para i-spread ko lang yung mga products.
And I think I have to listen. Because...
Don't worry guys, kahit na magkalat-kalat yan, malampasan ninyo sa paglalagay ng products, don't worry kasi lilinisin naman natin yan sa concealer. Nakuha ka lang ng konting concealer, kuha ka ng flat na brush, tapos yun na, linisin mo na yung gilid ng kilay mo.
Doesn't matter how far, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling.
Make sure na when you're doing this, your hand is stable. Huwag kang manginig. Okay, I know kilay is life. Pero relax ka lang dyan. Lagay mo concealer dyan sa taas. Make sure that you spread it evenly para naman hindi mag-iba yung color niya sa balat mo. Ang gagamitin kong eyeshadow today is from Sansan. Ito, mura lang din to guys. Very, budget friendly. Ito yung mga shades niya. Ayan, nabagsak ko na yung color green. For my eyes, ang gagamitin kong color, dahil nga simple look ang gagawin natin today, so I'm gonna go with this color, na color pink. And I will put it here.
Doesn't matter how far, I can see.
You can work on this color guys, kasi yung mga colors naman niya is, blendable. You can put as much as you want. Pag kontento ka na din, move on to the other color.
Me, it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please.
So next, ang gagamitin ko is this color here. And ganitong klase ng brush yung gagamitin ko para siyang sponge. So yan. So ididip ko lang siya dyan. And then I will put it here in the center.
Now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know.
Actually, okay lang din kung gamitin niyo yung daliri niyo kasi minsan yung product mas shiny siya pag finger niyo yung gagamitin niyo.
My heart, yeah, alright.
See? Mas shiny siya talaga pag sa finger mo.
Day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if we're.
So, gagamit ako ng ganitong klase ng brush. Actually, talaga to pang eyeliner. But instead of eyeliner, kasi nga, diba, pa-simple tayo today. So, ang gagamitin ko is itong dark brown color here. Actually, mas dark pa siya sa brown eh. Ayan. So, instead of eyeliner, ito yung gagamitin ko na pang eyeliner dito sa aking mata. And ang kagandahan dito sa product na hypoallergenic. Hindi naman sa pinopromote ko tong product na to, but it's really good. Hindi po ito paid sponsor ha. Disclaimer lang po. Pwede ninyo linisin din yan kung gusto ninyo na medyo mas pointed pa yung eyeliner. But I'm just making a simple liner because our makeup for today is only for simple. So kung simple ka, para sa'yo to. Char. So gagamitin ko ulit itong color dito, yung color pink. And then lalagay ko siya dito sa ilalim ng aking mata. Ayan, okay na tayo sa ating eyeshadow. Let's move on sa ating mata. And hindi ako gagamit ng false lashes kasi nga, again, it's simple. Mascara instead is from Sansan again. This is long lash waterproof mascara. Maganda to guys kasi pag ginamit ninyo, bigla na lang humahaba yung pilik mata ninyo. So yan, di ba hindi gaanong halata yung pilik mata ko? But later on, tingnan ninyo. So, tamang-tama talaga itong product na to sa mga simple girls like you o kaya sa mga students. Yan. Ayan o. Kita niyo ba? Bigla, diba? Mayroon na akong sulit mata. Pwede din kayong gumamit muna ng curler bago ninyo ito gamitin. But, in-skip ko na yon kasi nga, I wanna make this look very simple. Lalo na sa mga ladies na hindi pa sanay talaga mag-makeup or they're just starting to try the makeup. So, yun. And guys, so, tingnan ninyo yung difference dito tsaka yung dito. Yung dito, kita na yung pilit mata ko, pero dito wala pa. So, natapos ko na yung aking eyeshadow look and including my mascara. So, yan. So, tapos na tayo dyan. Ngayon, ang next is tanggalin natin itong powder na nilagay natin kanina. And, spread nyo lang yung product sa ibang parts ng mukha ninyo para mag-set na lahat. So, ang next naman is yung ating bronzer. So, yan. Same pa rin. Isa lang naman yung aking bronzer. Hopefully next time, pabili tayo ng isa pa. So, yan. Lagay ninyo dito kung saan yung may buhok kayo na maliit sa may tenga ninyo. Doon kayo mag-start. And then, yung line niya is going to your mouth. Yan. And make sure when you're putting bronzer, you will brush it upwards, hindi pababa. And next is dito sa ating temple.
To prove that this is my life, I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame.
Contour naman natin yung ating nose. Then I'm using a smaller brush. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Lagay natin dito sa side ng ating ilong.
Fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Gagamitin kong blush on is from Wet n Wild. Ito siya. At box may tape pa. So, yan. Wet n Wild. Ganito yung color niya. Para siyang orangey. And then, meron na din siyang parang konting glitters. So, it's really nice. And lalagay ko na siya dito. Sa taas lang kung saan tayo nag-bronze kanina.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline.
So next, I will use the setting powder from Maybelline.
See it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping.
Ito yung gagamitin kong color. Gold.
The things that you're feeling, capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Gagamitin ko lipstick is from Maybelline. Itong color niya is Inspire. Color pink to guys. And very matte.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now.
And this is very matte. And nag-i-stay talaga siya ng matagal kahit na kumain ka na. Ganun. So, if you're a girl who doesn't want to apply lipstick all the time, this lipstick is for you. So, yeah, and it's very affordable. It's only 299 pesos. So, yan na. Maybelline, baka naman. Pinopromote ko na yung product nyo. Charot. So, yan. So, anyway, guys, that's it. And I'll just fix my hair and I'll be back for the final look. For today guys. So thank you so much for watching. Kung nagustuhan ninyo itong tutorial na to, please don't forget to like this video and share it to your simple friends or even you. Kung isa kang simple ladies, this tutorial is really for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell so you will not miss any of my video. So I'll see you again guys next time. Thank you. Bye!